Definitely seems to be a noticeable difference in the old one and the new one. And that is, if you look in the old one, it really hard to see a spring. Oh, now you can see it. The spring's down, right? But on this brand spanking new one, it's I'm guessing it's on top of the diaphragm, the rubber diaphragm. So I think this diaphragm went bad, and then the spring went right through the rubber. Interesting. Brand new QVC. So let's see if we fix the problem. Let's cross our fingers and our cats. Cross your fingers and your cats. Push the yellow button in. But we'll let it. Yeah, fuck it. But it will go down, then it will go up. I'll be down. Yeah, it used to just go down. Definitely holding there. And let's see if the ABS module's leaking. A brand new $480 ABS module. Oh, are you leaking? It does not sound like it. So yeah. They're spraying air out of this, the $480 ABS module. So logic says to fix it, right? Well, that was the root of the problem. And they check the pressure, but I'm pretty sure damn problem's fucking fixed. Yeah. We're not losing any pressure. We're good. We are looking really good on primary and secondary. Hell yeah. This shit's crazy. It's like, I don't know, fucking ridiculous.